डबल इंजिनाच्या निष्क्रियतेक लागून देशातल्या आनी गोयच्या तरणाट्यांक खूप त्रास जाला। काँग्रेसीक सरकार स्थापन करपाची संद दियात। भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त आणि स्थिर सरकार दिवपाचे उतर कर्नाटक प्रदेश काँग्रेस समितीचे अध्यक्ष D.K. शिवकुमार हांणी दिला। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
There is a big unemployment. There is a big financial crisis. No minister, no states have the confidence on the central government. This is what you all are looking at. Whatever we have spoken at earlier times, the Congress party in the national level, we have delivered. At the time of Rajiv ji, at the time of Indira ji, at the time of Manmohan Singh ji, whatever has been promised to the people of this country has been delivered. But today, I think you all have tasted the power of the central government and the state government here. You had a double engine government, but here in this double engine government in Goa and Delhi, you could not deliver. The peak on corruption, on COVID, was so high, even the governor had to admit that there is a big corruption in the state.